Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay. I hate these clips. Alright. Let me not get pissed off as soon as I start the job. Side. Back. Back here. Okay, 230. 230 on the bottom. What was I gonna do? Okay, I'm just gonna loosen the intake. See if there's anything on the wing. Of course, I changed it. Okay, we got one more. One more. Alright, then I found the extension. Alright guys, so I got the last bolt. for the intake. I'm just gonna move it, see if there's anything in the way. What could possibly not be in the way? Neat. Maybe I can remove that bracket to give it more space. Okay, so let me look around. See what I gotta remove. That baby. All right. Touching by the head. Okay. Let's see what else is on the way. Remove that. And then we got over here. So let's see how we're gonna pull this back. Maybe I gotta move the slide it up. See how much sliding up we can do. And it's stuck. Alright, whatever. I'll just leave it like this for now. So I'm not going to disconnect all the hoses. Like this. Because all I gotta do is change the coolant flange that's leaking. The number one culprit in this job. In this car, I meant. Sorry. Alright. So basically, if you can see right there, I pressure tested it before. This one leaks under, and then you can trace it all the way to the cooler down there. Yeah, it's the only thing that's leaking. Thermostat looks good. Alright, let's get moving. First things first, disconnect the upper radiator hose. Just gotta wiggle it. Very different type of coolant in this fucking car, man. Shit's spreading everywhere. So there's green in here, there's blue. These customers are retarded, man. E8. E8. Do the rest by hand so they don't fold. Because if they fall, Oh, fucked. That's too much work. Alrighty. There we go. This gasket is cooked rooney, man. Okay. So that's pretty much it. See, when it leaks in the back over there, and then it goes all the way down. Okay, let's clean that up. We'll put the new one. We got the metal one. Upgrade it. Alright. Quick little smoke break and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I got the coolant flange in place. Right. I'm gonna try to clean all the coolant from up here because then after I'm not gonna be able to get a reach. Just like that, it's gonna leak. Alrighty. And the procedure to close it back up is the same as you took everything out. Okay, top is nice and tight. A little loose for my liking, but let's see when we test it. I cannot test it right now. The hose is unhooked. Okay, so that's it. Close everything back up. Add coolant, bleed the system, pressure test it if you have a pressure tester. It should be good to go. See ya.